Yo, what is going on YouTube? So today's video, I'm going to be showing you a super cool, brand new Subway Surfers hack. Well, it's not even a hack really. It's a simple redeemable code that you can use, and it's going to give you 1 million free coins in Subway Surfers. Or this is brand new, and it's completely legit and safe for your account. You can also get free keys as well if you wish. But yeah, this is definitely the easiest and best method to get yourself free coins in Subway Surfers. So let's get into it, guys. Use your mobile phone, as you can see here. I'm going to be recording mine so you can follow along. And go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys. Top Dog Codes. To go to this website here, go to the search bar at the top of the screen, type Subway to find the Subway Surfers free coins and keys page. Tap on it to open it up. Scroll down. Now you can select over 1 million free coins, all 500 free keys. Sorry, I just blanked out then. So tap on show code for the one you want. And you can see we need to unlock our personal Subway Surfers redeem code. Like I said, you can use these to redeem in the store, and it's going to give you the corresponding resource, in this case 1 million free coins. So like I said, I've already got too many coins, so I'm not going to do this for you. But what you're going to need to do, guys, is tap unlock code, and then when this little chart here reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen. And it's going to tell you how to unlock your personal code. It takes around 5 minutes. You need to complete a couple of these, like free tasks, basically just to verify you as a person. And then it's going to give you your redeemable code for 1 million coins. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go to topdogcodes.com and just make sure you follow all of the instructions. It's pretty easy. But yeah, I thought I'd make a tutorial and help you get your free coins. So enjoy. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.